Okay, so today I'm going to be discussing combining different scales to use in solos that is used in countless legendary solos. The first scale for the example I'm going to use will be the E Mixolydian scale. The scale I'm going to be synthesizing that one with will be the E Major Pentatonic. Then the example I'm going to be using is coming from an excerpt from Blue Sky from the Allman Brothers. The first part of that example is going to be coming from this octave of the E Mixolydian scale. And the example from the solo sounds like this. And the next part of that example is going to be coming from this part of the E Major Pentatonic, which comes from this area of the scale. And the part of that solo that uses that area of the major pentatonic would be this lick. And here's that Blue Sky example up to speed.